The Great Taste from Kris's Kitchen, brought to you by the Great Taste of Johnsonville Sausage.
Hi everybody, on the menu today is a recipe called Whitetail Bolognese. That's pronounced Bolognese. Anyway, with all the hunters in our household, we bring home a lot of venison, like Babe did after his North Dakota bow hunt last fall. What a wonderful hunt he said it was. And now we're gonna put that nice buck to some great personal use and find a happy home for it in our tummies. So now here's all it takes to make Whitetail Bolognese. Okay, this recipe, you see all these ingredients and you're thinking, oh, it's gonna be difficult. It's not. I mean, we're gonna start with some sliced garlic. And I'd like to just cook that in a little bit of olive oil just to get it nice and brown. And we're just gonna add in our ground venison. And we're gonna add our shallots, bacon, and now we're gonna brown this, and then we're gonna add all of the rest of our ingredients. Okay, when I'm just about done frying this up where it's nice and brown, I'm gonna add the celery and the carrots. And I'd like to keep these a little tender crisp, just because, I mean, when you take a nice bite out of this sauce, you want a little crunch to it, and you get to savor all the flavors that we've added to it. All right, now our vegetables are all done. I'm gonna add my tomatoes. This is crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, red wine, and this is a little bit of the juice from the noodles. Why you do that is because it helps the sauce incorporate itself into the noodles when you go to mix it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper at this point in time. I like to simmer this maybe about 10-15 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my heavy cream, and I like to just heat this through, and you're gonna be ready to serve your meal. Bacon, shallots, celery, garlic, tomatoes, wine, heavy cream, Parmesan, and of course, delicious venison. That's Whitetail Bolognese. It's so incredibly good.